Before we get started solving some of these problems, let's take a look at our notation here. So up here we've got x bar tends to follow a normal distribution centered at the mean with the standard deviation divided by the square root of n. Other important information is if we want to find the value of some number of standard deviations, then we will use this. And when we are putting things in our calculator, we use this, and then the inverse norm will be in this format. So let's get started solving some of these problems. Number 1, an unknown distribution has a mean of 90 and a standard deviation of 15. Samples of size n equals 25 are drawn randomly from the population. First, let's write what we know. Okay, so that's all of our information, where mu is 90, standard deviation is 15, and our sample size n is 25. Find the probability that the sample mean is between 85 and 92. So we rewrite this, the probability that the sample mean is between 85 and 92. So we're going to use the normal CDF in our calculator with the lower limit being 85 and the upper being 92. Let's put this in our calculators. And we get an answer of 0.6997 or 69.97% probability that the sample mean is between 85 and 92. B, find the value that is 2 standard deviations above, so 2 standard deviations above the expected value 90 of the sample mean. So here we are going to use this. So we are looking for the value, some value. The mean we know is 90, so I'm just referring to this equation. Since it's 2 standard deviation above the mean, it's a positive 2 and of 25. So I shall put that in my calculator. And I get 96. Be mindful of your parentheses in here. You can see that I've started all my parentheses and then I've closed all my parentheses as well. So 96 is the value that is 2 standard deviations above the sample mean of 90.